Peace. It is your holistic loctician. I am here to give you some tips on how to maintain your locks yourself while you are at home and the loc salons are closed. Number 1, wash your locks weekly. Yes, weekly. I said it. There's nothing wrong with washing your locks weekly. As a matter of fact, there is an added benefit, and the added benefit is you're removing all of the sweat, I'm laying in my bed. You're removing everything from your locks on a weekly basis. You're conditioning your scalp. You are rejuvenating your scalp, and your locks are getting loved on. They'll be the cleanest that you've ever had them. Number 2, make sure that you incorporate bi-weekly hot oil treatments. Hot oil treatments can consist of any all-natural oil, jojoba oil, olive oil, almond oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil. Number 3, you don't really have to retwist your hair as often. And I would take advantage of stay-at-home time and actually not retwisting, because what that can produce for you is actually thicker roots. And so you want to be able to maintain those thicker roots so that you can be able to have that glow up after you're able to leave the house. Number 4, love your locks. And what love looks like for your locks is brushing your locks, oiling your scalp, not your locks. Listen to me when I say oil your scalp. Your locks are like plants, and you water the roots, and the plant leaves will pull from the roots. Your scalp is your roots. Also, finger combing. If you're following the no retwisting during this time, finger comb through there so we won't have lock merging. Making sure you sleep with a bonnet on every single night. And lastly, incorporate henna treatments into your lock regimen. By the time you order and receive it, and the loc salons open up, I'm sure you'll be able to do at least one henna treatment yourself. Okay? The best and the only place that I recommend getting your henna from, your highest quality henna, is from Henna Souk. So look her up, order from Henna Souk, live your best life on your own, maintaining your locks while and until all loc salons open back up. Peace, love, and lock.